Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we are installing a K&N air filter on my GR86. This is the 5060 K&N filter, which fits the old models of the 86 as well as the new GR86. So here is the engine bay, nice and clean and brand new. Right down here you'll find your air box, which is very easy to open. All you have are those two clamps, and there's some clips on the bottom that come out right away when you tug on it. So this K&N filter is going to be going in there, and we're going to be switching out the OEM one. They claim to do 50% more airflow with the K&N than stock. And here's what it looks like. Nice and protected and wrapped inside the packaging. And once you pop those clips on the top, you can pop it open. Here is the stock air filter. It actually has zero dirt in it. It looks brand new. But it looks like a nice air filter. And then inside there's a charcoal filter that we're going to be removing at a later date, but apparently that also helps with even more airflow, adding essentially more horsepower to your car. But we're going to be putting this K&N one in right now, and yeah. And it does go in this direction with the K&N logo on the top. And then once you're able to snug it in there and make sure it's all the way flat, you can go ahead and pop that cover back onto the filter and put the clamps back on. Alright, so we just finished installing the filter. Overall, we did a sound comparison and it did not change the sound, so I didn't include any sound clips of that, but it does apparently increase the airflow by around 50%. And then once we remove that charcoal filter, it will help even more. So hope you guys enjoyed the install video. Leave a like down below if you guys did. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom.